What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you all see the title, I'll be doing a review on the new Nuff chocolate kiss. Yes, so I saw it advertising and it looks so delicious. So I say no, I have to try it. So I go to the supermarket yesterday and I see them and I say, what? Nuff chocolate kiss? So you know what? I'm happy go try it. So I don't know how it look. So I say Nuff chocolate cake with chocolate chips and chocolate cream. So I know this one here, it a go hot, it a go nice. So guys, with no further ado, I hope you all subscribe, like, share and comment. Please share. When you watch a video, you can click on the share button and it asks you if you want to share it to WhatsApp, Facebook, or wherever, so you can share the video. Share the video and show me some love. Help me build up my little thing, you know. Everybody I try, let's do. Let's get into the video. Yes, so I'm gonna pull. So break up. It's broken. Everything in that. Break up. I can't figure out the guy. Okay, man. Camera. That's what I expected, though. Very good on I ate, so. Yeah, start going. Start this nice. It is nice, man. If I like first taste, the first taste kind of tastes dry, but you have this chocolate thing, a chocolate creamy thing inside. But normally kiss cake, they don't have like the white cream inside. This is chocolate. Everything is chocolate. It tastes normal, like it tastes like regular kiss cake, but just have like a chocolate thing. It's a chocolate chips. There's some chocolate chips in it. I don't want to take it. There's some chocolate chips in there. It's nice. Okay, I'll try it. And guys, this video is not sponsored. So this not sponsored me nothing. Money to come buy me kiss. Mr. Advertisement TV and I say look nice and I go try. You could like back catch me out. If you happen, people like back catch me out. This is sweet. I'm going to drink a water. I'm going to put some pressure. But nice. Look at that chocolate on me. Nice. If it is so sweet, I would eat the next one, but it is too sweet. I cannot eat this one. So this is for next day. Sweet. Like kiss cake was so sweet. It was so sweet. I have to drink water. Let's see me that water up there. Pussy, huh? So I'm gonna get the next one. This some other day back down because I'm gonna some pressure. Pressure. After me have baby, me develop pressure. When you watch my story time, I do a story time on my labor and birth. So it wasn't what I expected because I see no chocolate chips tonight. It's a chocolate chips, it's a chocolate cream, and it's a chocolate cake. I get the chocolate cake and I get the chocolate cream, but I don't get the chocolate chips. So guys, with no further ado, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more video. I want to sleep. So I'm going to go to my bed. I think I get to edit the video now. So guys, have a wonderful night or day, whatever. Bye. I'm sleeping.